The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for the following counties/areas: Ellis TX, Dallas TX, Tarrant TX, Denton TX, Wise TX, Jack TX, Grayson TX, Cook TX, Montague TX, Clay TX, Hill TX, Navarro TX, Bosque TX, Hamilton TX, and Collin TX. Source: radar indicated, impact, and flying debris may be deadly.
A tornado warning has been issued for Dallas TX, effective until 12 o'clock am, Central Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Dallas TX, Fort Worth TX, Irving TX, and Arlington TX. A large confirmed tornado was seen touch to the ground right near Arlington. All damage has been reported to the police. Several power outages have been reported as well. The wind speed is now up to 100 miles per hour wind speed. Driving is considered dangerous, so make sure you find shelter.
A tornado has ended. Repeating, a tornado has ended. Right now, it is midnight. However, there is a lot of damage being reported in Irving, Arlington, and some parts of Fort Worth. Power outages have already been reported to the police, and this message will repeat.